The Joyway 7-piece luggage set is a comprehensive travel solution featuring an array of suitcase sizes, a travel bag, and a toiletry bag to meet all your packing needs. With its expandable capacity, you can increase the space of select suitcases by 20%, making it easier to accommodate additional items during your travels. Security is a top priority with this set, as it is crafted from lightweight yet durable ABS material and includes a TSA lock for peace of mind. Navigating through busy airports is a breeze, thanks to the 360-degree spinner wheels and an ergonomic aluminium telescopic handle that reduces strain on your wrist. The interior organization of these suitcases is exceptional, with zipper dividers and cross-organizer pockets to keep your belongings tidy and secure. The use of double-layered YKK zippers enhances the durability and security of the luggage, preventing any risk of zipper failure during your journey.